Take one sip of water, and within minutes your body begins changing in ways most people have no idea about. Water doesn't just quench your thirst. It starts a chain reaction that affects your brain, your blood, your heart, your kidneys, your muscles, and every single cell in your body. The journey begins the moment that water enters your mouth and travels down the esophagus into your stomach. Depending on whether your stomach is empty or contains food, it then moves into your small intestine, where most of it's rapidly absorbed into your bloodstream. Once that water enters your circulation, it becomes part of the fluid that supports every organ and tissue in your entire body. Your blood is made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Plasma is about 90% water, and it serves as a transportation system that carries oxygen, nutrients, hormones, electrolytes, proteins, and countless other substances to trillions of cells throughout your body. Without enough water, blood becomes more concentrated, circulation becomes less efficient, and your heart must work harder to maintain normal blood flow. Your brain is one of the first organs to recognize changes in your body's water balance. Specialized receptors continuously monitor the concentration of your blood, and if your body begins losing too much water, hormones such as antidiuretic hormone are released, signaling your kidneys to conserve water. As you drink, your body begins restoring that balance. Your kidneys are remarkable organs that filter nearly 50 gallons of blood every single day, removing waste while carefully deciding how much water, sodium, potassium, calcium, glucose, and other important substances are allowed to be kept or eliminated. This is why the color of your urine can become one of the easiest clues about your hydration. Pale yellow generally suggests you've been well hydrated, while darker urine often means your kidneys are conserving more water. Your brain, which is made up of approximately 75% water, depends upon the proper balance of fluids and electrolytes, so nerve cells can communicate efficiently. That communication influences your concentration, your alertness, your reaction time, memory, mood, and countless other brain functions. Your heart also depends upon proper hydration because adequate blood volume allows it to circulate oxygen and nutrients more efficiently throughout your body. Water also regulates body temperature. Every time you exercise, work outside, or simply spend time in hot weather, your body cools itself through sweating. As sweat evaporates from our skin, it carries heat away from our body, meaning you're losing water that must eventually be replaced. Water supports healthy digestion by helping dissolve nutrients, assisting the movement of that food throughout your intestines, as well as transporting vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients into your bloodstream. It lubricates your joints, cushions your tissues, keeps your eyes and mouth moist, supports healthy skin, allows the muscles to contract and relax properly. Even more amazing, nearly every chemical reaction taking place inside your body right now occurs in a water-based environment. Every enzyme that produces energy from food, repairs tissues, manufactures hormones, supports your immune system, and keeps your metabolism functioning depending all on water. Every heartbeat, every breath, every nerve impulse, every muscle contraction, and every movement that you make relies on this incredible molecule. Now here is something amazing many people don't realize. There is no magic rule that everyone must drink exactly 8 glasses of water every day. Your needs depends upon your size, your body size, your age, activity level, medications, health conditions, the climate you live in, and how much you sweat. Someone exercising outdoors in Florida, that heat needs much more water than someone in an air-conditioned, concentrated office all day. And a practical habit is to drink water consistently throughout the day instead of waiting until you're extremely thirsty. Start your morning with a glass of water after waking, after you're sleeping all those hours. Drink it with your meals to enjoy it a little bit. Sip on it, better before and after. Replenish fluids after heavy exercise or sweating. Increase your intake during hot weather, fever, vomiting, diarrhea, because these conditions increase fluid loss. Water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelons, oranges, strawberries, celery, tomatoes, and soups can contribute significantly to keep your daily hydration. While coffee and tea can contribute to total fluid intake, plain water remains the healthiest everyday choice because it hydrates without adding sugar or excessive calories. Sugary soft drinks, sweetened beverages, and excessive energy drinks should never become your primary source of hydration. And drinking enormous amounts of water in a short period of time can dangerously dilute the sodium in your blood, a condition called hyponatremia, which becomes an emergency, more of a medical emergency. The goal isn't to force gallons of water into your body. The goal is to balance. Learn to listen to your body, drink consistently throughout the day, pay attention to your urine color, and understand that the needs will naturally change depending upon your activity, environment, and overall health. So the next time you take a sip of water, remember that you're not simply satisfying your thirst. You're beginning one of the most incredible physiological journeys in the human body. Within minutes, that water's traveling through your digestive system, in your bloodstream, through your heart, through your kidneys, your brain, your muscles, your joints, and ultimately reaching the trillions of cells that depend upon it every second of every day. Water is far more better than any drink. It is one of the foundations of human life. I hope that this video serves you well. Please share it with your friends and family, particularly those that don't drink enough water. Please leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.